Hello and welcome to Scotby. I'm in Scotby village, only a couple of miles outside Carlisle today, looking at this absolutely stunning 3-bedroomed semi-detached house, extended at the back. It's immaculate right through, all great sized rooms. So let me take you around the front, show you the street scene, and then we'll take you inside. Okay, so this is a street view. This is end of the cul-de-sac up there. And this swoops around and takes us into the middle of the village. And this is the house that we've come to see. So as you can see, we've got so much parking to the front, 2 or 3 cars there. We've got the garage, and then this immaculate house. So, quick swizz round, and then we'll go inside. So, we'll come into this absolutely beautiful entrance hallway. Look at that. It's quite a size. We've got some storage here for coats, hats and shoes. And we'll go into the living room to start with. So it's the length of the house. Lovely big room. We've got a living flame gas fire there. We've got the box bay window at the front. Such a nice street, this one. And then this fabulous area as well that looks out into the immaculate garden, which I will show you in a moment. So we'll keep going through here. We've got some storage just behind that door, and then we've got the kitchen diner, so plenty of cupboards and storage, plenty of room for a table and chairs. This takes us round garage here. We've got a downstairs shower room, which I'll show you. And then a really good sized utility. And that's got your washing machine, your fridge freezer, your tumble dryer. And then we've got access out into the garden. Okay. So back through the kitchen, and then we'll go and have a look upstairs. So upstairs here we've got 3 bedrooms, a separate WC and a bathroom. Okay. So there's your landing, nice and bright. First room we'll come to. These guys have got it set up as an office, but we've got plenty of room in here for a nice double bedroom. Next one. Again, a really good sized double bedroom. Tons of storage in this one. Absolutely tons. Lovely bright room. More storage here. And then bedroom 3, again, loads of fitted wardrobes. Nice double room again. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the garden, which is beautiful. What a pretty outlook that is. Okay. Then we have a separate WC, and then in here a bathroom. So we've got the shower cubicle here and the bath. So we've got this absolutely beautiful back garden. As you can see, gorgeous mature shrubs. It's a lovely little sun trap. Okay, so there we are. What a fabulous house. Immaculate, as you can see. That lovely big entrance hallway, the living room, kitchen diner, the utility and downstairs shower room, not to mention the garage as well. Upstairs we've got those 3 fabulous double bedrooms, a separate toilet and a bathroom. loads of parking at the front, and this beautiful garden out the back, and all only a few minutes from the centre of Scotby village. What more could you ask for? Give the office a call, 01768 88 1111.